Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Marky. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers in your activity sheet, which is about Mendelian Principles of Inheritance. Let us now begin. Question number 1. He is the father of the modern genetics. The correct answer is Gregor Mendel. Question number 2. Which of the following is true about pure breeding plants? The correct answer is an organism that always passes down certain phenotypic traits to its offspring of many generations. Question number 3. It occurs when the pollen from the anther is deposited on the stigma of the same flower or another flower on the same plant. The correct answer is self-pollination. Question number 4. Which of the following is an example of genotype? The correct answer is capital RR. Question number 5. What kind of plant did Mendel use in his experiment? The correct answer is pea plant. Question number 6. It refers to the organism's observable traits such as height, eye color, and blood type. The correct answer is phenotype. Question number 7. Which among those choices is the correct genotypic ratio based on the image below? The correct answer is 25% capital RR, 50% capital R small r, and 25% small rr. Question number 8. Which of the following is an example of a monohybrid cross? The correct answer is this one. Question number 9. Based on Mendel's experiment, when he crossed the ground seed with the wrinkled seed, what will be the F1 generation offspring? The correct answer is round seed. Question number 10. When the purple flower is crossed with a white flower, the offspring will have a purple color of the flower. But take a look at their genes or alleles. When capital RR is crossed with small rr, their offspring will have capital R small r. What law in genetics can explain this? The correct answer is law of segregation. Question number 11. Study the diagram below. Which letter shows the gametes of the plants? The correct answer is letter B. Question number 12. It refers to the fusion of male and female gametes or sex cells produced by the same individual. The correct answer is self-fertilization technique. Question number 13. Study the cross of the two pairs of alleles below. Using the data in the Punnett square, what will be the correct phenotypic ratio? For number 13, there is no correct answer, but the correct answer for this one is 50% homozygous dominant and 50% heterozygous. So this one is bonus. Question number 14. It is a kind of diagram that is used to predict the genotypes of particular cross of breeding experiment. The correct answer is Punnett square. Question number 15. In what part of meiosis 1 did the chromosome pairs separate and move to opposite poles? The correct answer is anaphase 1. Question number 16. What do you call the one trait that dominates the other? The correct answer is dominant trait. Question number 17. Using the result of the cross below, what can you conclude about the offspring? The correct answer is homozygous dominants, when crossed with recessive, produce only one kind of offspring and exhibit the dominant trait. Question number 18. It refers to the number of times a genotype would appear in the offspring after a test cross. The correct answer is genotypic ratio. Question number 19. What do you call the trait that did not appear in the F1 generation? The correct answer is recessive trait. Question number 20. What do capital RR and small rr refer to? The correct answer is genes or alleles. Question number 21. Using the table below, what can you conclude about the result of Mendel's experiment on these garden plants? The correct answer is the parent plants have passed on to their offspring some of their physical characteristics. Question number 22. Using the monohybrid cross, identify the allelic combination or genotypes of the offspring of this pair of alleles. Capital D, small d will be crossed with capital D, small d. The correct answer is this one. Question number 22. It refers to the genetic cross made to examine the distribution of one specific set of alleles in the resulting offspring. The correct answer is monohybrid cross. Question number 23. What are the allelic combinations or genotypes of this pair of alleles? Capital DD will be crossed with small dd. The correct answer is this one. Finally, this ends this video presentation. If your score is 13 or above, congratulations. And if your score is 12 or below, it means that you have to watch again the video lesson about Mendelian Principles of Inheritance and look for those correct answers of your missed questions. Thank you for listening.